Okay everyone, welcome back again to another video on the Foxtecc. This time we talk about how you can adjust the lock screen clock on your iPad. Now you should of course make sure you have run at least like one of the newer versions of iPad OS. In case you run something like even iOS like 12 on your iPad because you have an old one, it's apparently not going to work. But just swipe down to get to the control center, which is the notification center slash lock screen, right? So you have the time right here, and all you have to do to customize it and to change things up is to hold down on it like this. You get this option, so just click on customize at the bottom, or in case you don't want to mess with the current one, just swipe right here and just start a new one, right? This is another option as well. Just choose the styles and everything, but I'm just going to customize this existing one. So customize like this, not the home screen but the lock screen. So now everything just gets like the frames or like borders around it, so you can add widgets, change the stuff which appears above the time. But when you click on the actual time, you can switch to a different color, which is nice. You can choose the intensity of that color, another really good cool thing. But also if you swipe over and scroll through this little slider, you can choose a different style of your iPad clock, of the actual font of the numbers. So this is how you can actually use it. So all you have to do is just, for example, select this one, and you will be stuck with this looking font, right? This one doesn't have the slider to adjust the thickness, but all of the others have that. So you're not just stuck with the look like this, but you can make it thicker, thinner, depending on your preference. So it's up to you to decide how well or how thick this is supposed to look, and you can slide it for multiple of them and decide how you want to have it, right? But these are all of the options which you have. Of course, you can go to the color picker and choose a color which is not on this list. I would probably not like recommend you to do it. The first one is the one which is going to make sure it looks the best, right? And also you have the globe icon in the upper left corner, which essentially allows you to switch over to like a different type of numbers entirely, to switch from Arabic numbers to something else, which is not something I'm necessarily familiar with. So I cannot really tell you if this is good or not. So yeah, if you understand, or if it's your numbers, then go ahead, of course, just make sure you have the ones. But for me, I'm just gonna stick with these because this is something which I do understand at the most. So these are all of the options which you have when it comes to customizing the clock on your iPad lock screen, right? If you would like to add some third-party widgets, you can add them here under it. So